Okay, today we're going to make us a little cover, a dust cover, and a hanger for, say, a face shield. I mean, how many of you have one of these hanging around, or just sitting around and it gets dusty, and then when you try to wipe it off, like here, it's just all kinds of dust, and you just end up scratching it. And so I'm going to show you how to make a little hanger, and a way you can hang it up and keep the dust off of it, and they're pretty cheap to make. Let me set this out of the way for a moment. So what we got here is a 5-gallon bucket, and we got a little J hook. It's this is a 5/16 by 5 inch. You probably don't have to really have it that long, and if this piece here, the J was a little bit wider, that would probably be a little more efficient, a little better than this one. The strap on my face shield is pretty wide. It probably doesn't matter so much where this is at, but you want a little bit of room for reaching up in there. I got a couple washers, little small washers, put one on there, and well, actually they don't fit, so we won't use the washer. Okay, but take the drill a hole right in the center of the bottom. Put your hook in. Tighten it up. Now, actually, we don't want to put that. Don't really want to put that nut on just yet, anyway. Bring the tripod over here. Try not to get you too what I've done here, I've put up a shelf bracket. I've already hung the shelf bracket and pre-drilled the hole. Just stick the post up there through that. Hope I'm not in the view of the camera. Yeah, I think you can see it there. Okay. Yeah, it probably wouldn't hurt to put another nut on there. I'll have to look and see if I got one. That way it will hang a little more level. But you can probably make a bracket out of angle iron or 2x4, about anything. You can probably remove the handle. No need for that being there, really. Then you just take your face shield, reach up in there and hang it right up in there. So, pretty simple, easy to make. It will keep the dust off your face shield. I'm not 100% sure a welding helmet will fit up in there, so you may just have to try your welding helmet. But if you got a bench grinder, or you need a face shield for anything there, that would be a quick and easy way to, and pretty inexpensive too, to make a little cover there to keep it clean, keep it from getting scratched up. Then you always know where it's at. Well, that's about it. So, see what else I can come up with, and for little handy little tools around the workshop.